For the next hour, sit quietly and we will control all that you see and hear. We repeat, there is nothing wrong with your television set. You are about to participate in a great adventure.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the show. Glad to see you here. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this content, and ring that little bell ding-a-ling thing there if you want to get notified of future content. Anyway, let's get on with the show. Hey folks, I'm covering somebody I'd never cover because he's boring and he does nothing but lie consistently. He's worse than lie as far as I'm concerned. It's Chili DeCastro, his day in court, and then my Nevada judges took this video, so Chili can't strike me for using it, the little pussy. Anyway, yeah, they did a little interview with him afterwards, and he telling us all what a law scholar and all that stuff he is. But anyway, let's check it out.
Alex here. I just wanted to give you guys a brief heads up to stick around to the end of the video because we did give Mr. DeCastro a brief interview on camera to discuss particular issues, I would say questions and comments that we noticed we got on Mr. DeCastro. Those have to do with whether or not he was going to appear, whether or not he was going to vociferously defend this case, and also on the status of motions, stays, discovery, and a federal case that was pending. Bear in mind, Mr. DeCastro has pending litigation, and so you may not get all of the answers to your questions, but he did give a pretty detailed synopsis within the areas that he felt safe to discuss. So again, just stick around towards the end of the video. This is an exception that we went ahead and made because of the influx of questions and comments, and also because of how short this particular hearing was.
Jose DeCastro, 23 CR 013015.
Morning, Your Honor. Michael Mead, 13726, on behalf of the defendant. He is present with me in court this morning. This matter is on for a trial date. It's been called off as I received some additional discovery last week. I'd like to reset this matter in an orderly course for about 60 days.
So do you have everything you need now? Or
Your Honor, I believe I have everything the court has ordered. There might be additional issues I seek to address before the next trial date, but I am still reviewing the materials I have.
all right. I don't care.
December 19th at 9:30.
Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I have just been informed my client is not going to be in the country on that date.
Wait, what? I wasn't really paying attention. Did he say what I think he said? Chili's not going to be in the country on that date that he just proposed there? Does anybody believe that? I don't believe that for 1 second. Doesn't mean it's not true. I mean, maybe he's going to go to Mexico. Maybe that's his last refuge. I don't know. Who knows? But I don't buy it.
I have just been informed my client is not going to be in the country on that date. Can we push it out another month?
Sir, can you tell me when you're not in the country?
I can go slightly before that date if you have any availability, but I'll be out of the country in December and January. The second part of December, most of January.
How about early December?
Maybe he's going back down to visit his relatives that threw him out down there in Puerto Rico. I think they threw him out. They might not have. I don't know.
How's December 6th?
Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You as well.
So my name is Chili DeCastro. My channel is called Delete Laws on YouTube, Delete Laws on Instagram. Go ahead, guys. I just wanted to give Nevada court an opportunity to understand a little bit what's going on. I was arrested in Las Vegas for filming the police. I took the arrest, I went to jail, and now I have to deal with the court. I shouldn't have been charged, I shouldn't have been arrested, but if you're gonna be a freedom fighter and you're gonna step up and you're gonna film cops, then part of that is you very well could get arrested. You have to be willing to take that on.
Yeah, especially with the part where you resisted arrest, you started screaming, "Don't hurt me, don't hurt me." I almost started crying. I actually needed to break out a new box of hankies, rip them open, and start drying the tears from my eyes.
So what people don't understand from their point of view, from the peanut gallery, is that The process of what I go through is extraordinarily real. I have to put on a suit, I have to put on a tie, to wake up in the morning, I have to come here, and my freedom is literally on the line. They can snatch my freedom away anytime. Alex and I were sitting in there, and they brought in 6 men in chains, and I asked the guards, do these guys try to escape? And she said, I've never had anybody try to escape, but yet we still bring people in chains. And that's the whole reason I do what I do. As far as the semantics of court and all those things, I probably can't get into any specific details. I can tell you this, that I'll take this to the very edge, to the very limit of how far I can go.
Because I will stand on my rights. I don't want to say anything about the case, I just want to say that you have constitutional rights and you have Nevada constitutional rights. And you should use your rights completely and fully and never back down from them. Stand on your rights, even if other people think you're rude or aggressive or hostile or mean. As long as you're not actually hurting people and you're just standing on your rights and you're being strong with that, then that's why I'm speaking to you right now. Stand on your rights and don't give a single inch. We have the right to get discovery in a misdemeanor case, regardless of whether or not they think it's limited discovery. No, it's not. I have a Sixth Amendment right to get all those things, and so I will.
As usual, I will post a link to our Nevada judges down in the description of the video. Yeah, I didn't hear anything about discovery during this 30-second I'm not going to be in the country video, but you know, anyway, Chili has to make up stuff to fill in some time. He feels pretty important now. He's got a briefcase with him and his little suit on he borrowed from somebody, and it looks like it might be a little bit too big for him, but that's okay. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the update. Love y'all. Bye.